So today we will make corn toast. Now this is also very simple and very crispy. We will bake it in the oven or grill it in the oven. So for that we'll take about 6 to 8 slices of bread. Now I have half the bread. If you want smaller toasts, then you can quarter the bread in whichever shape. I have made triangular slices. You can make it even square. Then I've taken corn kernels, about a cup of corn kernels. Now I'm going to parboil them and then chop them fine in a chopper. Then we need cheese. Again, I've taken block cheese. You can take the cheese of your choice. You can also substitute cheese with paneer. And the other ingredients would be a pinch of oregano and butter, a bell pepper of different colors just for it to be colorful, spring onion in very small bulb and a small stem which is chopped fine. Then we've taken one potato. We won't require all of it. Now you can even skip the potato. So just a very small bit of potato, boil and mash it. Salt you can taste for the mix and see if you think it's required, because we are adding cheese and butter. So if you think it's needed, you can add a pinch of salt to it. If you think it's not required, then you can skip it. So there we've mashed the corn. Now to this mashed corn we will add all the other ingredients except the bread slices. Now I have totally skipped the spices. If you want to make it spicy, you can chop up one very small green chili and add to it. You can even add chili flakes to it, or you can even add crushed pepper to it. And if you desire, you can make it totally non-spicy. Now we'll add about 3 tablespoons of cheese. As I said, you can also substitute cheese with paneer. And a little bit of butter for the ingredients to mix well. Now the bread, I'm going to toast it in the oven. I will toast it finely in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes, so that will give added crispiness to the corn toast. If you want it soft, skip the toasting, but it tastes good if it is well toasted previously. Then you spread the mix on the bread slices and then you toast it again. So this is also very quick. Now we have mixed all the ingredients together. What we will do is we will coat the bread slices with this mix. Now coat it well and press it down a little firmly so that it holds in place. So in this manner we will coat all the bread slices with this. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, and on the topmost rack, in my oven I will bake it for about 5 minutes. If you wish, you could make it a little longer, but keep checking so that it does not burn. So you can even dot it with butter if you wish, or dot it with tomato ketchup, and grill it on the topmost rack of the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or until done. So this is also very simple. This is your grilled corn toast.